Good day. I'm gonna talk about how to launch a virtual machine using EC2 instances. After logging in and clearing all the authentication, you'll be directed to the choose an Amazon machine image and AMI template that contains the software configuration required to launch instances. And you can select the AMI to create the EC2 instances. And select the first one. You have to choose the instance type. There are many categories: general purpose, compute optimized, GPU instances, memory optimized, storage optimized. Configure the instance details. You create a new VPC or configure the instance to suit the requirements. Launch multiple instances on the same AMI. The next, add storage. Your instance will be launched with the following device settings: attach an additional EPS volume, instance store volume to the instance or to the root volume. Give a volume type. I would like to choose the general purpose SSD. Next will be add tags. We don't need any tags. The tag consists case sensitive value pairs. Skip the part. You can review their instances and click on launch. Choose an pair or you can continue with the key pair. Exit and then launch instance. An instance will be launched, as you can see here. It's the ID. We see the logs. It has been successfully launched. Go back to the AWS dashboard. Then under my services, you can see my EC2 running. Now I'll be running. You can launch templates as well. Under the instances. You create a launch template. Launch template. Okay, so we put in a name. And this is the source template where you can specify template for the existing template. We don't have an existing template, so we're creating a new one. You can keep all the settings as default. And we can see the EC2 how it has been deployed. That's it. This is the description of my EC2 instances. Monitoring, create an alarm for anything which has happened. Alarm has been created. Tag, we never created any tag. This is it. You see the status of the alarm. That's it. Thank you for looking at the tutorial.